welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Louise. I am Louise, your Independent Pampered Chef Consultant. Are you looking for a quick and easy weeknight meal? Look no farther, Pampered Chef has you covered. I will be showing you our newest seasoning mix called Scampi. Now this is what I call super fast and super easy. So I have in my bowl here some chicken tenders that I cut into little bite-sized pieces. All I did was sprinkle the Scampi mix over the top, and I've just been letting it sit here for a few minutes. Next is I have some oil already nice and heated up in my large 12-inch skillet, and all I gotta do is cook the chicken. Hear the sizzle? I'm cooking for real. So we're gonna let this cook through for about 3 to 5 minutes or until it's no longer pink. And just spread it out a little bit.
One eternity later.
So that actually took about 6 to 8 minutes to cook all of my chicken so it's nice and golden brown. And now I'm going to add 1/4 of a cup of white wine. Now remember, when you're cooking with white wine, you want to use a wine that you would actually drink. So this is a delicious Chardonnay. I would like to drink this right now, but we're gonna go ahead and pour it right in here. And we're gonna just let that cook for about 3 to 4 minutes. While that's cooking, I just want to let you know that all of our seasoning packets are all gluten-free, which is really nice. And we also have a new one called Pad Thai, which I will be making next time. So be sure to subscribe so that you'll be notified and ring the bell so you'll be notified of when I make that. And I already have a video using our Tuscan style herb chicken. It's a sheet pan meal, you guys. So I'll go ahead and link that down in the description because you're not going to want to miss that. I love that recipe. All right, so also I wanted to let you know that I went ahead and cooked up some angel hair pasta. So it's recommended to use regular spaghetti, linguine, or angel hair. So we opted for the angel hair, and I did it on my stove with my boil over no more lid, which you know how much I love this. It keeps my stove nice and clean because my pasta water is not going to boil over. And I've already drained it with one of our colanders, so it's already draining and it's just sitting right here ready to go. So now that the wine, you just kind of want to cook your wine, like I said, for 3 to 4 minutes to kind of burn off that alcohol. And then next we're going to add 1/2 stick of butter. Oops. So we'll go ahead and get that added. There we go. And let me just get all this tossed together. I'll melt the butter in here. It's smelling really good, you guys. So if you wanted to add a few red pepper flakes, you certainly can do that as well. For serving suggestions, I suggest asparagus. Well, asparagus is my favorite vegetable, but I think asparagus would go really nicely with this. But we are going to just have a plain old green salad, and that's my dinner tonight. So as you can see, this is really super fast and easy. And when you're rushing around, it's weeknight, school night, work night, whatever, and you need just something fast for your dinner, I highly recommend one of our seasoning mixes because you can't go wrong. So now all I'm going to do is add the pasta, which is kind of clumps together since it's been sitting here waiting on me, but we'll go ahead and get that in here. I'll get it incorporated. I do have a little bit of the pasta water that I can add to it to help it out a little bit. And that's it, you guys. That is dinner. So quick and easy. Obviously, if you wanted to add some Parmesan cheese, you could. A little parsley flakes. What I love about these meals is you can sort of make it your own, right? So I always like to do a recipe the first time, exactly how the recipe is called for. And then later on, the next time I make it, I can elaborate a little bit and change it up. So let me go ahead. I'm going to add a little bit of this pasta water. I saved just a little bit of it. That was probably about a third of a cup. There you go. All right, I'm just going to grab a bowl so I can get it plated and show you guys the finished product. I'm back with my bowl, and I just want to show you how delicious this looks. There we go. Let me add some chicken. So besides the chicken, I wanted to mention that I think this would be delicious with shrimp, right? Shrimp scampi is always a good thing. Here we have a quick and easy weeknight meal, scampi. Please be sure to like, subscribe, ring that bell so you will be notified of all of my upcoming videos. Thanks you guys so much and happy cooking.